Welcome to this essential training on fire safety awareness. Understanding our procedures is crucial for the safety of everyone in our school community. This session will cover key aspects of fire prevention and emergency response tailored for our environment. Our trust takes its responsibilities seriously under the Regulatory Reform Fire Safety Order 2005. This legislation requires us to conduct fire risk assessments, implement appropriate controls to reduce risk, and ensure our fire evacuation plan is clearly communicated and accessible to all staff and visitors. Understanding fire begins with knowing what it needs to exist. Fire requires three fundamental elements: fuel, oxygen, and heat. Remove any one of these, and the fire cannot start or will be extinguished. This concept is often referred to as the fire triangle. Fires can start from a variety of sources. Fuel may include everyday items like paper, cardboard, wood, fabrics, plastics, gases, and chemicals. Oxygen, which makes up 21% of the air, is ever present, especially in well-ventilated areas or where windows and doors are open. Heat, the ignition source, can come from electrical appliances, heating devices, or deliberate causes like arson. Understanding these elements helps us manage fire risk more effectively. Fire prevention is everyone's responsibility. This includes maintaining good housekeeping, ensuring electrical equipment is tested, adhering strictly to the no-smoking policy, and never obstructing fire exits, call points, or extinguishers. Keep evacuation routes clear, and never wedge open fire doors, they're designed to stay shut. Always report any concerns immediately to your line manager. If you discover a fire, your immediate action is critical. Operate the nearest fire alarm call point to raise the alert. Simultaneously, contact the designated site staff members, using the provided mobile numbers, to inform them of the situation and location. Fire extinguishers are strategically located throughout the premises, typically in pairs on corridors and within classrooms or offices. It's important to know the types available. Water extinguishers are suitable for materials like paper and wood but must never be used on electrical fires. CO2 extinguishers are specifically for electrical fires. When the fire alarm sounds, the procedure is to evacuate immediately to your designated assembly point. Close all doors and windows as you leave. Doors on magnetic holders will close automatically. Do not lock doors, do not use lifts, and leave all belongings behind. Please note, the one-way stair system is suspended during a fire alarm. You may use any staircase to evacuate safely. The fire brigade is automatically alerted by the building's monitoring system. Our site is divided into specific evacuation zones. If the fire alarm sounds within your zone, you must evacuate. If the alarm is sounding in a different zone, you do not need to evacuate your area, but you must not enter the zone where the alarm is active. Evacuations can be partial, involving only a specific zone, or full, involving the entire site. During any evacuation, a complete headcount of your class or group is essential upon leaving the building and again at the assembly point to ensure everyone is accounted for. In a full site evacuation, in addition to headcounts, a full register of everyone on site must be taken to identify any missing individuals. Evacuation procedures include specific considerations for vulnerable people. Any individual requiring assistance must be supported by a designated member of staff. Details regarding their specific needs and assistance plan will be outlined in their Personal Emergency Evacuation Plan, or PEEP. If you encounter smoke during evacuation, stay low to the ground where the air is clearer. Avoid opening doors if the handle feels hot. If trapped, try to alert others, keep doors closed, and block gaps to prevent smoke entry. If clothes catch fire, remember to drop to the ground and roll. To ensure everyone's safety, it is vital that you are familiar with key information. This includes knowing the fire evacuation procedure, your specific evacuation routes and nearest fire exits, the location of your assembly point, and the locations of fire alarm call points and fire extinguishers. Knowing what to do in the event of a fire saves lives. Thank you for listening.